The purpose of this video is to take this USX mount full motion TV wall mount, this thing, and put it on that wall over there. This TV's going away, and my son over there bought, what did you buy? 75-inch Sony TV. He got the small one. We have all these parts and pieces for this mount and a template. Now,
look at that.
we just need to glue it to the wall. Do you have the hot melt? Or duct tape? Okay, let's take a 2-hour break. Okay, just let it drop. No.
They have 4 mounting holes, huh? Did you read the directions yet?
A little bit.
What are you trying to do?
These are recessed way down here. So
Oh.
we have to use spacers, but this spacer's too short. This one is probably the right length, but it doesn't fit in there. No, what I'm going to do is take these 4 spacers right here and make a flat here and here on either side, so they'll go into these holes. The holes are tapered. They go down like this.
That's big. Wait. Okay, go ahead.
We're going to machine these down.
Oh, I see. It's flattening it out.
Put it against a disc or a little hand, a palm sander.
Okay, we're improvising. That's a DA sander, so it might just hang up, but turn it on. Oh, nice. This circle-y looking thing, and square them off like this so that they'll drop into these holes properly and seat all the way down. We just made a Home Depot run to get some 40mm screws. We got hex bolts and some extra washers in case we need to stack them, because using these spacers, the screws they supplied, these 35mm ones, do not engage any threads. What we have done to try to get the height of the holes we're going to punch in the wall to the correct height is assemble this thing, because swivel TV mount is not centered on the TV, so we had to be careful because it needed to be 33 inches, which is the height of this speaker right here. It needs to go above that. So then we measured from this point to the bottom of the TV, which was 8 inches, and we're adding 1 more inch, which is where the bottom of the template goes on the wall. I hope this makes sense. So the bottom of the template is 42 inches, and we marked studs, and here is where we're going to drill for the plate, the back plate for the TV mount.
Where do I go? Right here in the middle?
Well, there's your stud, so yeah. Come this way a tiny bit, because you don't want to get too close to that edge. That's cool.
Okay.
Yep. You're going to go into sheetrock and then into the wood stud.
Alrighty, now what?
You want to hang it up with just 1 bolt?
Could we do that? It seems like it'd be way easier.
It would be easier. You don't mind a little tilt.
So that's just the pilot hole?
Yeah.
And now you have to do a bigger hole? Last one?
He's drilling a 3/16 hole now, which is the final final hole for these lag bolts. I think they're 5/16 lag bolts. You're gonna have to get the maid in here to clean the floor up.
Kenny, did you buy that thing at Costco?
This?
Yeah.
Mount is an Amazon purchase.
Oh, it is.
Quite a bit cheaper than Costco.
Was it really?
Yeah, Costco's are pretty expensive. I understand they're pretty good, but this feels pretty stout to me.
Kenny, you chose that one just because of price or overall was rated pretty good?
It was the first one on Amazon. It held a 75-inch TV, and the ratings are good. So.
Good, good, good. Uh-oh, is it not working?
Leave it like that, and let's get this one on. And I'm going to put the level on it, and we'll make sure it's level or measure it. Let's see how bad we did.
Oh, that's a tiny level. Huh.
Wow,
That looks perfect.
who engineered this?
Where is the perfect?
Don't worry, it's going to be
It's the
about
bubble.
an inch too low, so it's okay.
So Ken's Garage makes mobile house calls?
Yeah, this is a Ken's Garage house call. It is. We're somewhere over the hill that way. Now, today we're by the ocean, right by the ocean.
How do you know how tight to do it, Dada? Oh no.
Probably tight enough.
Yeah, about tight enough. Not too much and not too little. So you have 2 sets of those.
Do they snap in there or you have to screw them in? Oh, you do have screws, okay.
Or the Allen wrench.
It could be the user of the tool.
You think I could pull it off the wall?
I think you could. I couldn't.
The pit crew coming in.
You ready, strongman? Listen to this. This is your job. Ready? Before hanging TV, please try to pull the mount to make sure that it has been assembled on the wall tightly.
Oh, okay.
Pull it?
Pull it?
Oh, what if you slip and land on the TV?
Oh, that would be a problem.
Okay, I think we're good.
Here we go, this is the moment.
We have 33 inches or more. Oh,
It should fit.
What do you
It's
have?
like perfect. It's like 30. It's like exactly what we did.
it's exactly what we did. Oh, that's pretty cool. So Kenny's just going to hold the TV like that. We don't need a mount.
No, I'll just leave it like
So
that.
anytime we want to watch TV, we just call Kenny and he comes over and holds the
What are you measuring? What are you guys trying to figure out?
if the TV is centered on this bracket. Peeling all the stuff off. Getting ready for showtime. I think you should leave that yellow sticker on. That looks cool.
That's something you did.
Got a little bit of glare. These are going to replace the plastic standoffs that I did the magic sanding on. These came with the TV and they were part of the TV instructions. We were using the mount instructions
So,
and it would have worked fine.
you think those are better?
Steel standoffs. Yeah, a little bit.